Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, it is the usual suspects, the Nigerian rogue list. Orji Kalu, of course, leads from the front. Guys, I bring you this. Senator Orji Kalu explains his links to some NDDC contracts. So the NDDC contracts, of course, the latest controversy that Nigeria is grappling with at the moment, or should I say one of the many controversies, one of the corruption controversies that the country is grappling with at the moment. And of course, when you mention corruption, the name Orji Kalu is always in the mix. Again, the headline, Senator Orji Kalu explains his links to some NDDC contracts. So now let's now find out exactly what explanation he has for us. Former Abia State Governor and Senate Chief Whip Orji Kalu has come out to explain his link with some of the projects executed by the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Akpabio, in a letter sent to the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, listed Kalu as one of the beneficiaries of contracts awarded by the NDDC. According to the letter, Kalu was linked to the emergency repairs of 5 road projects in Abia State, ranging from 517 million naira to 560 million naira. However, in a statement released by his media aide, Emeka Nwala, Kalu said the road projects linked to him was strictly based on his intervention when the community leaders of the affected roads approached him to use his influence to get the roads repaired. According to Kalu, he only approached the NDDC to get the roads fixed. His statement reads, "I was the governor of Abia State between 1999 and 2007 and never held any public office until July 11, 2019, when I was sworn in as a senator. Between 2016 and 2018, during my tour of several communities, leaders and welfare unions of most communities pleaded for urgent intervention on some dilapidated roads. I wrote to the NDDC informing the body of the conditions of these roads and the need for their attention since Abia State is an NDDC state. The NDDC, in their consideration, which I am grateful to, awarded the roads to companies that duly tendered for the projects and not myself. Whatever link I have with the projects is because it was considered due to my intervention. The contractors have completed and delivered these roads long ago, except Abam Atini Road, which I learned from the contractors was slow due to the rain, but still ongoing. Meanwhile, it would interest Nigerians to know that the contractors who built these roads have not been paid any dime. It has not been easy with the contractors, but because it is a community project, they have only but kept hope alive on the NDDC. So this is now Orji Kalu coming out to distance himself from this allegation. But then, of course, as I said, anytime there is a corruption allegation in Nigeria, you can bet your bottom dollar that the name Orji Kalu is never far from the mix. So his name has been thrown into the mix again. But then, of course, we have to look at the person throwing his name into the mix. God's will, Akpabio, your veritable leading 419 guy of Nigerian politics. So really, you have to take Akpabio's word with a pinch of salt. But then, of course, Orji Kalu is a known criminal within the Nigerian space. So, Olegbe, Olegbale is what we say in Yoruba land. The thief steals it and is stolen off him by the thief. So whatever the truth is in the mix somewhere. Orji Kalu has come out to try to exonerate himself, but nobody of any sane mind would believe anything Orji Kalu has to say. But then, of course, nobody of any sane mind would believe anything that Godswill Akpabio has to say. Conversations in the comment section, he said, she said, or in this instance, he said, he said. Where do you weigh in the divide? Who are you going with? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. 500 million naira contract is what we're talking about. Did Orji Kalu pocket this or not is the question. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.